Mae cyrsiau iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant yr adran yn ddewisiadau poblogaidd iawn yn y chweched dosbarth. Darperir 2 gymhwyster ym mlwyddyn 12 a 2 ym mlwyddyn 13. Addysgwn ddosbarthiadau o 20 a mwy yn flynyddol sy'n dysteb ddigonol o lwyddiant, hanes a thraddodiad yr adran. Ymfalchïwn yn ein cysondeb o 100% a seren i dros y 3 blynedd ddiwethaf. Yma cewch fwy o wybodaeth am y cwrs tag Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol a Gofal Plant. Gwelir cyflwyniad arall am y cwrs lefel 3 Iechyd a Gofal Cymdeithasol, Egwyddorion a Chyd-destunau. The health and social care and childcare courses are extremely popular choices within the sixth form. We provide 2 qualifications in Year 12 and 2 in Year 13. Each class boasts 20 or more learners, which highlights the success of the department. Consistently, over the last 3 years, our learners have achieved 100% A-star to E grades. Here you can find out more about the GCE Health and Social Care and Childcare course. Information about the Level 3 Health and Social Care Principle and Context course can be found on a different presentation. Bydd y cwrs yn caniatáu i chi ennill gwybodaeth, dealltwriaeth a sgiliau manwl am ddatblygiad unigolion a sut i ofalu amdanynt drwy gydol y rhychwant oes o adeg cenhedlu i oedolaeth ddiweddarach. Cewch y cyfle i feithrin dealltwriaeth o ddylanwadau ar dwf, datblygiad, ymddygiad a llesiant dynol. Cewch hefyd feithrin dealltwriaeth fanwl o anghenion cymdeithasol, corfforol, emosiynol a diwylliannol pobl sy'n defnyddio gwasanaethau gofal a chymorth, ac yn cydnabod bod gan bawb ei galluoedd a'i hanghenion unigryw eu hunain. Byddwch yn ennill dealltwriaeth drylwyr o sut mae darpariaeth gwasanaethau yng Nghymru yn cefnogi datblygiad a llesiant unigolion i'w galluogi i wneud penderfyniadau gwybodus, nawr ac yn ddiweddarach mewn bywyd. The course will provide thorough and in-depth knowledge, understanding, and skills related to the development and care of individuals throughout the lifespan from conception to later adulthood. Opportunity will be given to develop understanding of influences on human growth, development, behaviour, and well-being. You will gain a detailed understanding of the social, physical, emotional and cultural needs of people who use care and support services, and recognise that each individual has a unique blend of abilities and needs. You will understand how service provision in Wales supports the development and well-being of individuals to be able to make informed decisions now and in later life. Mae'r cwrs yn cynnwys materion cyfoes mewn perthynas a darparu system iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant yng Nghymru sy'n foesegol a chynaliadwy. Mae'n hybu dysgu gweithredol a phersonoli drwy roi cyfleoedd i ymchwilio i faterion a thestunau gofal o'ch dewis eich hunain. Byddwch yn dilyn astudiaeth eang o iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant ar lefel uwch gyfrannol, ac mae safon uwch yn rhoi cyfle i chi ddatblygu dyfnder gwybodaeth a dealltwriaeth mewn iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol oedolion. This specification includes contemporary issues in relation to the provision of an ethical and sustainable health and social care and childcare system in Wales. Active learning and personalisation are promoted by giving you opportunities to investigate care issues and topics of your own choice. Following a broad study of health and social care and childcare at AS, and A2 provides you with an opportunity to develop depth of knowledge and understanding in adult healthcare and social care. Mae'r cymhwyster yn cynnig llwybr dilyniant addas ar gyfer dysgwyr sydd wedi astudio TGAU iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant. Mae'r cymwyster tag uwchgyfrannol a safon uwch mewn iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant hefyd yn addas ar gyfer dysgwyr nad ydynt wedi astudio iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol o'r blaen, ond sydd ar gallu i astudio lefel 3. The qualification provides a suitable progression route for learners who have studied GCSE Health and Social Care and Childcare. GCE, AS and A-level in Health and Social Care and Childcare is also suitable for learners who have not previously studied Health and Social Care but who are capable of Level 3 study. Mae 50% o cymhwyster tag uwchgyfrannol a safon uwch mewn iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant yn cael ei asesu'n fewnol, a 50% yn cael ei asesu'n allanol. Rhaid i ymgeiswyr gwblhau'r canlynol yn llwyddiannus. Aseiniadau a osodir yn allanol a'i marcio'n fewnol, ac hefyd aroliadau allanol sydd cyfwerth â 50%. The GCE, AS and A-level in Health and Social Care and Childcare is assessed through 50% internal assessment and 50% external assessment. Candidates must successfully complete externally set and internally marked assignments and also external examinations. Cymerwch ychydig o amser i astudio'r tablau. Please take some time to study the following tables. Mae'r pwyntiau tariff UCAS canlynol ar gael am cymhwyster tag uwchgyfrannol a safon uwch mewn iechyd y gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant. The GCE, AS and A-level in Health and Social Care and Childcare attracts the following UCAS tariff points. Mae'r cymhwyster yn cynnig sylfaen addas ar gyfer astudio iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol drwy amrywiaeth o gyrsiau addysg uwch neu i gyflogaeth. Gall dysgwyr hefyd symud ymlaen i gymwysterau eraill o fewn y gyfres iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol a gofal plant. Yn ogystal, mae'r fanyleb hon yn gwrs astudio sy'n gydlynol, yn foddhaol ac yn werth chweil i'r dysgwyr, hynny nad ydynt yn symud ymlaen i astudio ymhellach yn y pwnc hwn. The qualification provides a suitable foundation for the study of health and social care through a range of higher education courses or into employment. Learners may also progress to other qualifications within the health and social care and childcare suite. In addition, the specification provides a coherent, satisfying and worthwhile course of study for learners who do not progress to further study in this subject. Dyma farn rhai o ein dysgwyr presennol. Here are the opinions of some current learners. The course opens many doors. Although studying the subject at GCSE level gives a sound basis, it definitely doesn't put those who haven't at a disadvantage. As the course is taught in Gwyr, I was nervous as a Bryntawe student, but staff keep in regular contact and are always available to answer any questions or concerns. I didn't study the subject at GCSE, but I have already learned so much. I like the balance of the course. It suits those who excel at exams and those who enjoy coursework. Diolch I chi am ystyried ein pwnc. Thank you for showing an interest in our subject. Gobeithio gallwch chi ymuno gyda ni'r flwyddyn nesaf. Let's hope you can join us next year.